Hey guys, this is Poet Spice, Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I'm here to do a Not Too Shabby Shop Coffee and Friends May Kit sneak preview. So here you see that I have used an Anna Griffin center step die, and here you see the project I made using products from this Not Too Shabby May kit. You guys, I told you in my last video you were gonna love it because what do you see here? Coffee themed items. So we've got stamps, we've got 3 stamp sets, we've got 2 paper pads, 2 packs of ephemera. So here's the card that I made using those items. I used 2 papers from the paper pack, and I also used several, actually I used up all the cupcakes that were that were in the embellishment pack. I cut the base using that Anna Griffin die out of some 110-pound cardstock from Michael's, I believe. And then you can see the little paper. So the polka dot and the cups and the pink stripes are all from the paper pad. You can see here where I'm showing you the ephemera pack for the cupcakes and that little coffee cup. The sentiment is out of there. And you can see the different parts of the paper. Now, you'll also notice, see the little tiny little polka dotted cups? All I did there was take some of the scraps that were left and I fussy cut those little 3 at the top. So you can see them on the sentiment. And that's it, you guys. Just go check out the shop and play along. See ya! Don't forget to stop by this shop.